How to install SeatSaver seat protectors with J-clip attachments. Slip the upper portion over the seat back and pull it down until the seat back is covered. Push the retaining flap with the J-clips through the seat crevice to the rear of the seat. Pull the flap down and towards the front of the seat until the J-clips can be secured underneath the seat. Stretch the lower portion over and around the seat cushion. Attach the J-clip under the front of the seat to secure the lower portion. Be sure not to cover the seat adjustment bar if equipped. Repeat the process on the passenger seat. Slip the middle section cover on and pull the flap through to the rear. Pull the side pieces around and attach them with the hook and loop attachments. Repeat the process on the console cover. When you're finished, the front seats will be completely protected.